Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to find trending reels on Instagram. So let's get started. So if you want to find trending reels on Instagram, so to find them, what you have to do is just simply open up your Instagram application, and after opening up your Instagram application, in the bottom you will find the search bar. Just simply tap on it, and after tapping on that, now in the top search bar, what you have to do is just search for hashtag trending. And after searching for that, now what you can do is just simply tap on the trending option, and from here what you have to do is just tap on the reels option, which is on the top left. After tapping on the reels, now you'll find all the trending reels that are in Instagram. So these are the reels that are trending in Instagram. You can just simply go ahead and then view them. So that's it guys. This is how to find trending reels on Instagram. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.